What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As you can see, my predictions, everything going according to plan. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you definitely know what I'm on and about, what I'm on about. So, yeah, I'm very happy that things have been going according to my analysis. Nothing really much has been happening other than the fact that we've broken out. We broke out of this major consolidation phase right here, which we've been consolidating ever since when February. So we've been consolidating early February. So February, March, April. So roughly 2.5 months right now. So this consolidation phase is really a lot. So you could see we broke out of this phase. You could see we broke out, we found support, and just like the way things are, we have this day will definitely make it the confirmation day on the daily candle. So you could see right here that if I should take all of this away for people who are just coming across my channel today, you could see right here we broke out, found support around here at 70,500, broke above this resistance right here. You could see this is definitely where we are. So I think we are still most likely going to rally much higher today, and we could drop all the way down to $73,500 level, find support, then we could rally into 78,900. So I think this is just definitely it. You should probably take some profit when we hit 78 or $79,000 for Bitcoin. So you could see right here that we have been consolidating within this range for a while. You could see we've been consolidating within this range for a while, and we have most likely broken out. And if this breakout should be very valid, we are most likely going to be rallying really high, which brings the price target for this to be around let me do the breakdown right here. So the price target for this will most likely be around $90,000. So if we are going to be expecting Bitcoin to rally all the way to $90,000, I should say that we should most likely be taking some profit off the table at 78,900 or roughly 80,000, and 83,700 level should be the levels where you should most likely be taking profit. So I think, yep, this is just definitely it right now, based on the analysis and based on the market right now. You could see that I made it known to us right from my for like a week right now that I've been making video, or a week plus right now that I've been making video. You could see that I'm always using the USDT dominance as a signal to determine where we currently are in the market for now. So you could see right here that yesterday, from the 4 hours time frame, we broke out of this major resistance, which we broke down from long time ago. You could see we broke out of it, and I made it known to us that there is a very less chance for us to rally higher. A very less chance for us to rally higher. Rather, this will most likely be the case. I made it known to us that the whole Ford news about blockade of Hormuz and all what's not, blockade of the Strait of Hormuz from the US, won't definitely do anything. Those are just market news to shake off weak hands. I kept on making that known to us that that the US and Iran, they've already concluded on 2 weeks. So they will try as much as they can not to make sure that market just starts rallying within 2 weeks. Crude oil starts dumping within 2 weeks, because that is going to be very crazy. So they have to bring in volatility, whereby people that are trying to trade are not really sure where the market is heading next. So they would rather be scared based on the news. So I think that is just basically it. And looking at the news right now, you could see that nothing really much has changed. So nothing really much has changed. You can see right here, fans on Strait of DJ fans on Strait of Hormuz. Expectation is that Iran will make progress to opening the strait. So at the end of the day, this whole blockade thing is really not doing anything that much. Vance, tells Fox News made a lot of progress in talks with Iran. All of a sudden, you guys now are making great talk with the Strait of Hormuz. So obviously, the market is moved by sentiment. The market right now is moved by the news. It's moved by the geopolitical news, the fundamentals. So with the look of things, all this right here are just noise. All this right here are just noise. There is continued engagement between the US and Iran and forward motion on trying to get to an agreement. This is definitely what we would have heard since, not coming and telling us, oh, there will be blockade, there will be all this, there will be all that. Trump, we may stop by Cuba after we are finished with Iran. Trump's, so, that is just basically it. We've been called this morning by the right people on Iran. Trump, Iran is calling you, stop saying by the right people on Iran are all of Iran. So, that is just basically what I'm trying to say. So we could still end up getting a move like this on the USDT dominance, whereby we end up moving up a little bit and still dumping further. So I think when we are most likely rallying up a little bit, we could still get some little dumps in the market. Then once we head down here, then the market can still pump. So I think that is definitely what we are seeing right now. Based on the crude oil right here, you could see the crude oil got rejected from this resistance right here at $103. So you could see clearly right here that things are going according to plan. If you watched my video yesterday, I made it known to you that this right here is most likely going to happen. If you look at the S&P 500, the S&P 500 still doing very, very well. I made it known to you that we are most likely going to keep on rallying higher, because based on the way things are looking right now, you could see that we are most likely approaching this resistance right here at $6,976 or $75. We could still rally into this resistance right here at 7,100, consolidate within this level, and probably rally much higher. So I think this is definitely it for the S&P 500. For gold right now, you could see gold is doing very well, still consolidating, about to break out from this resistance right here at 4,802, which its next major target will be $5,085. So nothing really much have changed with Bitcoin. We've broken out. We found support around here at 70,000 level. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.